I'm Carla Bella. I'm gonna teach you how to make a Hello Kitty. First, I'm gonna show you the stuff. Here you need the t-shirt right here. Now you need something like. Now you need the ribbon and the face. And the legs, of course. And the most important is the body. I don't have a face yet. So, we're gonna start over in the face. So, this is the face. It doesn't have eyes here. First, you need this black one to put it here. Wait a minute. Gonna make one. I can put it there. Now the face, it have eyes now. So we're gonna put the face right here. There's a bed right here. Okay. So we're gonna make the body. That's what the body is for. Now you know everything. So here it is. So we're gonna put the face in the body.
Lakas mo naman, di ba?
Here. Oh my gosh. Now we're done. I'm gonna show you when it's done. It's right here. And when it's done, it's like here. It's here. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye. It's just yummy. Uy, bilisan niyo, buti ginawa.